So, how to track calls, appointments, and lead conversations using Zapify.io reports. So, inside the recording, click on call reporting to see all inbound and outbound calls, inbound, outbound calls, duration, and outcomes. Call reporting. Call report. Go to appointment report to see book, confirmed, showed, and no showed stats. Appointment report. Check lead source report to understand which channels are bringing in the most leads.